Hi guys, if you're watching this video, it means you're interested in teaching the BreathingCold method. So I'm very grateful that you're interested. My intention is for you to do something incredible with your life. I love what I do because every day I help people connect with themselves, and I don't think there is anything better out there. I mean, in terms of things to do in life. The benefits are incredible. You get tons of messages all the time of people that, thanks to you, are able to change their life, whatever that means. And yeah, so I'm ready to bring that to the world. I'm very interested to have more people learn and teach this method. But what's specific about me is that I really don't care about me. I'm not the hero in the room. I don't know if you noticed that, but I really pay attention and make sure that each and every person is focused on themselves. That's what's specific, unlike other teacher training where you've got a guru who's kind of superior. No, we really have a backseat approach where, you know, the student is the hero, because if he's connected with himself, then that's what matters. So that's exactly what I want to do with you. I'm going to be there. You're the hero. I want to know what you're after, what's your intention, how you want to teach it. I'm going to help you find your style. And of course, you've got to get tons of knowledge and explanation and books to read. And I'll be taking you by the hand and make sure that you're successful in that new stage of your life. So yeah, let me know what you think. I look forward to working with you. Let's do this.